How to change your profile picture on YouTube mobile. First, open the YouTube application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then you want to go to your channel. So in here, you will find a pencil icon. Tap on that option and here you will find the option to edit your profile. What you want to do to change your profile picture is tap on your current profile picture. And here you will find two different options. You can choose to click a new picture by tapping on the camera, or you can select a photo from your gallery. So tap on gallery and in here you can choose the photo that you want to set as your profile picture. So you obviously have the option to rotate or crop your photo. And once you have done all of the edits, you can tap on Save as Profile Picture button right below. So now you can see that the profile photo has been updated successfully, and that is how to change your profile picture on YouTube. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.